Hi there and welcome to this X8R video demonstrating our new Mini Cooper S auxiliary belt removal toolkit. This is being demonstrated on our 2003 R53 Mini Cooper S. Before you begin, you'll need to make sure you have access to the driver's side portion of the engine bay, as well as being able to remove the front driver's side wheel and the wheel arch lining. This will expose the auxiliary belt and the tensioner. In this kit, you will receive one zinc-plated auxiliary belt changing tool and one tensioner pin retaining tool. Firstly, you'll need to locate the bolt that holds the tensioner to the supercharger. And you'll also need to locate the pin that protrudes out of the top of the tensioner. This is the bottom of the tensioner. We've coloured all key areas in yellow so you can easily see them while we're demonstrating the tool. Firstly, you'll need to take the auxiliary belt changing tool and place it over the bolt that holds the tensioner to the supercharger. There is a small cut-out section that will fit directly over this bolt, making it easy to apply. You need to hook the tool underneath the bottom of the tensioner and apply pressure. This will cause the tensioner to push upwards and therefore will release the second pin out of the top of the tensioner. As the second hole appears, what you'll need to do is take the angled pin locking tool and firmly place it in the second hole showing in the top of the pin. What this will do is hold the tensioner in place, in a slack position, so that you can safely change the auxiliary belt. As you can see, it makes the belt slack and very easy to change. In order to release the tool, push the tool forward and pull it off the bolt. Thank you for watching this X8R video. If you have any questions, please call us on 01843 446643 or email us at sales@x8r.co.uk.